Hello everyone, welcome to GN Electric YouTube channel.
Comparing two integrated amplifiers Accuphase E-4000 and NAD-C399, which have the same capacity of 180 watt per channel into 8 ohm. With the same capacity, it is feasible and should compare the two integrated amplifiers, especially regarding the hardware and components used. According to sources, Accuphase E-4000 will be released in 2022, while NAD-C399 September 2121. In practice, damping factor is the ability of the amplifier to control speaker motion once signal has stopped. Accuphase has a damping factor of 800.
Accuphase weighs 2 times heavier than NAD.
This is all because Accuphase has a step-down transformer, so this is what makes it heavy when compared to NAD. Every electronic device that has a frequency must have harmonics. NAD is 0.02% better than Accuphase is 0.05%.
The two systems of integrated amplifier power supply are different. Accuphase uses capacitor on the one secondary and side, and NAD is SMPS primary and secondary.
This is NAD. Total power consumption is 600 watts, which is very wasteful for class D. So far you choose the energy efficient. So far you have seen that Accuphase has bigger in body than NAD. This is all because of Accuphase, because it uses a bigger heatsink and transformer.
Accuphase has almost 3 times the price of NAD.
Accuphase 6,000 to 6,500, NAD 2,000 to 2,500 US dollar.
Has a power capacity of 180 watts, 8 ohm load, and 260 watts at 4 ohm load per channel.
The circuit configuration of the power amplifier engine is the same as the flagship class AB.
Temperature sensor detects heatsink and the photocoupler detects short circuit.
It is 33% higher than the former model E480 and has the same value as Class A stereo power amplifier A48.
There are some differences between E480 and E4000.
Stereo power amplifier P7500. The output impedance is lower by 4-volt parallel push-pull output transistor stage arrangement of bipolar transistor. If you look inside the two integrated amplifiers, they are very much different. It can be seen that Accuphase is a neat and good circuit, while the other is that IC is less tidy. From the inside view of NED, there is still empty space. Maybe the integrated amplifier can be made even smaller. Some SMPS power supply components are built using several diodes, ferrite transformer, capacitor, then electrolytic capacitor and resistor, as well as active components such as IC and transistors. ENCO is the first class D amplifier not just to notch the best linear amplifier, but to surpass them in every aspect relevant to sound quality. If you want to ultimate in clarity, resolution, and musically, size no longer matter. The efficiency of encode is inversely proportional to its compactness. NED still uses a ribbon cable to connect devices to other devices. The ES2026 is a chip for converting digital signal to analog. You should be able to imagine if your device is broken. Can you replace each component one by one or replace several cards? Power supply unit is a must-have on the integrated amplifier. A system that uses a step-down transformer is better than SMPS. SMPS is not durable. Both of these integrated amplifiers use a MOSFET or operational amplifier (OPAMP) to censor the output, giving the system an error. This is a security measure. Digital to analog card is an optional option. You can buy it separately. These two cards are almost the same and their function is also almost similar. The number of Accuphase input is 9, while NAD has 6 inputs. More is better. That's all according to the need to the connected to other devices. The number of Accuphase output is 3, while NAD is 2, and NAD has a subwoofer output. And need to add one amplifier to amplify the input signal from this subwoofer. Accuphase is 3 dB superior in terms of bass, control and treble, boost and cut. There is a big difference in how to set up the integrated amplifier unit. Accuphase uses a rotating button, NAD then uses a button to go up and down. These two integrated amplifiers come from two different countries, one from the East and the other from the West, namely Japan and Canada. These two integrated amplifiers have very different amplifier systems, one using push-pull and one using encore.